Are you considering buying an e-bike? Before you make your purchase, there are 5 crucial things you need to know to ensure you make the right choice. Stay tuned to discover what you need to know to confidently navigate the world of electric bikes and find the perfect one for you. Before we hit the road, let's start with the basics. What exactly do e-bikes consist of? Well, think of them as regular bicycles, but with an electric boost. At their core, e-bikes have a sturdy frame, wheels, brakes, and pedals, just like your traditional two-wheeler. However, what sets them apart is the addition of a battery-powered motor. This motor provides varying levels of assistance to the rider, making pedaling easier and giving you that extra push when needed. Now that we know what e-bikes are made up of, let's move on to our second point, the classes of e-bikes. E-bikes are typically categorized into 3 main classes: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. Class 1 e-bikes are equipped with a motor that assists your pedaling up to a certain speed, usually 20 miles per hour. These bikes are perfect for leisurely rides and commuting. Class 2 e-bikes take things up a notch by adding a throttle feature. This means you can activate the motor without pedaling. It's like having a mini motorcycle experience while still enjoying the benefits of cycling. Finally, we have Class 3 e-bikes, which offer even higher speeds and more power. They can assist you up to 28 miles per hour. These bikes are great for those seeking a quicker and more exhilarating ride, perfect for exploring scenic routes or tackling challenging terrains. Now that we've covered the classes, let's shift gears to explore the different types of e-bikes available in the market. There's a wide range to choose from, each tailored to meet different needs and preferences. Commuter e-bikes. Designed for urban commuting, these e-bikes prioritize comfort, practicality, and efficiency for daily transportation. Mountain e-bikes. Built for off-road adventures, mountain e-bikes feature robust frames, wide and grippy tires, and enhanced suspension systems to tackle challenging terrains. Folding e-bikes. Compact and portable. Folding e-bikes are suitable for those who need to combine cycling with public transportation or have limited storage space. Cargo e-bikes. These e-bikes are designed to carry heavy loads, making them ideal for transporting groceries, goods, or even children. Road e-bikes. Similar to traditional road bikes, these e-bikes offer assistance for longer rides on paved roads, often with a focus on speed and efficiency. Moving on to our fourth point, the weight of an electric bike. This is an important consideration, as it affects not only your riding experience, but also how easily you can transport or store your e-bike. Electric bikes tend to be heavier than traditional bicycles due to the added components, such as the motor and battery. However, advancements in technology have led to lighter and more compact e-bike models hitting the market. So before purchasing an e-bike, make sure to test the weight and ensure it's manageable for you. Consider factors like if you have to carry it upstairs or load it onto a bike rack. If you have trouble with that, there are specific bike racks made for e-bikes, making it easier to load and unload. Make sure to check those out down in the description. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: price. Electric bikes come in a wide range of prices, depending on factors such as brand, features, and quality. Entry-level e-bikes can start around $1,000, while high-end models can reach several $1,000s. When setting a budget for your e-bike purchase, consider the features that are most important to you. Do you prioritize a longer battery range, advanced motor technology, or additional accessories? It's important to find a balance between your desired features and your budget. We have found the best electric bikes that we hope will suit every need, with the best deals and prices as well. Links for them are down in the description for you to take a peek. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us. As always, stay safe, keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next thrilling video. Happy riding!